This looks delicious. Hi guys, so today I want to prepare a delicious beans and plantain. This is my plantain, this is ripe plantain, and this is my honey beans. We have different species of beans, so I'm using the honey beans today. We have the honey beans, we have the iron beans, and so on. So now I'm done selecting stones and dirt from my beans. Now I will wash it and then put it on fire. So now this is my pot. I'll transfer my beans to my pot and then let's go cook it. So now my beans is on fire. I added water. I will cover and allow to cook. So guys, let's check our beans. So you can see the beans is well soft. So I'm going to sift out this water. I'll sift out the water. So guys, this is my plantain. I wash it and peel it. So I'm slicing the plantain now. I cut it into pieces. You can cut it any shape that you like. This is onion. So guys, let's cook our beans. Here I have my beans. This is plantain and chopped onion. This crayfish, salt, pepper, palm oil, and seasoning cube. So let's get started. My pot on fire. I'll add water. I'll transfer my plantain to the pot. Plantain and the chopped onion. I will cover and allow to boil. Guys, let's check the plantain. Yeah. So now I will put my seasoning cube. I'm using just 2 seasoning cube because plantain is sweet and beans is sweet. Of course, I'm using honey beans. So this is salt. I put pepper. This is pepper. And I will put I'll put my crayfish. This is crayfish. Okay, go and play. Then I will stir it. The plantain is soft. So now I will put my beans. The beans is already soft. That's why I'm putting it last. I'll add more water. Then I will cover and allow to boil. So guys, our beans is almost ready. Our beans and plantain almost ready. Now I'll put palm oil. This is the Odogu palm oil. Wow. This looks delicious. I like my beans moist. I don't like it thick. So it is ready. Get your plate ready so that I can dish yours for you. Please ignore the noise. This is yummy. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Our delicious plantain and beans and plantain is ready. It's ready. Thank you. Bye.